Hello. This is Jackie Evage, and I just wanted to share this quick video with you guys to show you how you could be on your way to earning $200 to $100 daily from this particular work from home business. I mean, it is phenomenal. I actually started and I didn't really expect to do that much, and I didn't really put that much work into it. But as you can see, I've already earned like $780, and this was only with like about 12 transactions. And so this is why I'm sharing it with you guys today, so that you can actually see that this is a way that you can earn money from home, strictly on autopilot by doing pretty much basically nothing. As you can see, all these transactions: 25, 25, 250, 25, 25, 100, 100, 25, 25, 20, 20, 140. I mean, they've all came in. And so it's just simply amazing. I just wanted to share this like quick video with you so you would be able to see exactly how much income has came in over the last few months. And so it's actually been amazing, and I just wanted to share this with you. Just go ahead and click the link, create your account, and get started, and I will see you on the next video.